Do you want to know about a program that has multiple health benefits, including weight loss? Hello, my name is Megha and I'm the co-founder of Truweight. Today, I will tell you about the top 5 benefits of my life-changing healthy eating program. Number 1. Fight lifestyle diseases and gain health. Now, Truweight is not about cutting calories, but about adding right nutrients to your diet. My program attacks 7 root causes of obesity, which are also related to other lifestyle diseases. By focusing on superfoods, our team of dietitians customizes the diet for your perfect health. Number 2. Education on nutrition. See, 99% of you have never been educated on nutrition, and lack of right knowledge is actually killing people. Poor diet is the number 1 cause of early deaths in the world, even more than smoking. Poor diet is also the root cause for all the lifestyle diseases like diabetes, thyroid, PCOS, high cholesterol, BP issues, etc. In my program, we educate you about right nutrition so that you can eat healthy for all your life and also help your family members eat healthy. Number 3. Gain muscles for sustainable weight loss. People often confuse muscle loss with fat loss. You can lose weight by losing muscles from your body too. But is that right? It is totally counterproductive. If you lose muscles, your metabolism will go down and eventually all the weight will bounce back. In Truweight program, by focusing on right amount of protein, we help you lose fat and not muscles. Number 4. Lose weight. Obviously, the program will help you lose weight, and weight loss is one of the biggest advantages of our program. People have changed their lives by losing weight with us. Number 5. Find your true worth. Lastly, all these changes bring about a profound change in our clients' lives. To give you some examples, Shuli not only lost weight but went on to win Mrs. India Spark. Anirudh not only lost 25 kgs but found the marathoner in him. C.A. Srinivas went on from being a polio patient to a bodybuilder. Madhvi avoided taking diabetes medications by losing weight. And Suman gave birth to a healthy baby after trying for years. So you see, this is a life-changing program. It is time for you to find your true worth with Truweight. Join Truweight.